era that told such a complete story you could make a movie out of. And this song could have been a movie. And they always told stories. Chris Christopherson, Ray Charles famously talked about that. He lived country music because of the stories. I don't know how many stories are going on anymore with country music, but
Baby You a Song. Maybe we'll roll the windows down. That's a story.
But yes, I have heard this song all my life, as you mentioned. Now, Marty Robbins, one of the great singers of all time, the guy that played the upright bass on a lot of his records in the 50s was my grandfather, a guy named Lightning Chance, and he was, thank you. He was a staff bass player at the Grand Ole Opry for a long time in the 50s and 60s. Yeah. Played on a lot of those old records, and Marty always came up when I was a kid. I would ask him, who were the best singers you ever worked with? And some of the first few names that came out of his mouth was Ray Price, Patsy Cline, Marty Robbins. That was like fair and young. That was always right at the top of the list.
Yeah, I guess they're all okay.
Yeah, they're all pretty good. Yeah. This is a fun song. Thank you, Bishop Chris. I love Marty.
To the town of Alfreda rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke, folks around him didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make it slip. But a stranger there amongst them had that big iron on his head. Big iron on his head. It was early in the morning when he rode into Thank you. Marty Robbins by request. Hell yeah.